So this trail in Latvia is 3 kilometers long and comprises a lot of variants of obstacles and sensations to go over. Most of them are incredibly painful. Well, I have to be honest, I'm not entirely sure what the purpose of this is. Supposedly it's healthy and stimulating, but I actually find it really, really painful.
But my favourite dress is not a good idea.
So it looks innocent enough, each of these obstacles, but when you take a closer look, you can see that they are in fact sharp, protruding little boulders and stones that are designed to get into every nook and cranny of your foot and then exert pressure of your own body weight and gravity, pushing down to create what can only be described as an excruciating pain shooting through your body and to your brain, stimulating emergency resuscitation action to go into survival mode.
Describe the pain.
Yeah. Taking one for the team.
No! Jesus! Oh, that hurts too much.
You can do it.
No!
Yes, you can.
No!
You can.
Why would you want to do that?
That's like glass. Just glass.
Yeah.
You have to say at least one time in your life you've done a barefoot trail. It really is quite painful and probably not to everybody's taste, but I suppose I do feel a bit of satisfaction at getting round the course. Would I do it again? Would I?